Okay, so this week, guys, we are going to be talking about prepositional phrases and what those are and what they mean. For whatever reason, this video won't work, so we'll just ignore that part. So first, let's talk about what prepositions are. Prepositions show the position or relationship from one noun to another. And we know a noun is a person, place, or a thing. So Sprout is sitting beside the tree. So Sprout is a noun, the tree is a noun, and the preposition beside tells us where they are to each other. Sometimes prepositions tell us the location of something, like above, around, at, against, below, by, in, beside, near. And you saw all of those words. Sometimes they tell us time, during, since, before, until. Sometimes they give us direction. Go past the brown tree. Go up the ladder. Across, in, from, toward, inside, into. Sometimes they're just other words such as without, of, about, for, like, from, with. Prepositions are in green and the nouns are in yellow. So let's look at some of these. I downloaded the Pokemon app on my phone. On would be the preposition. Phone would be the noun. Pikachu jumped for joy at Milo's house. At was telling me where. House is the noun. That's whose the person, place, or thing is. Raichu threw a Pokeball across the room and hit Foxfire. Across would be the preposition. It's telling me where. The room would be the noun. It's telling me the what. Let's see if it'll let us watch this video.
Writing's not that easy, but Grammarly can help. This sentence is grammatically correct.
Preposition, it's your ambition to tell me exactly my position. I could be on my couch or outside my house. Am I across the street or within your reach? I could go up the stairs or fall off my chair. Am I in front of you? Are you behind me too? Preposition, it's your ambition to tell me exactly my position. Preposition, you're on a mission to tell me exactly my position. Take a walk with me and we'll go by the sea, and then along the path that goes around and back, and underneath the waves or inside a cave. And before we're through, we'll jump over the moon. Preposition, it's your ambition to tell me exactly my position. Preposition, you're on a mission to tell me exactly my position. I could be on the couch outside my house. Am I across the street or within your reach? I could go up the stairs. Did I fall off my chair? Am I in front of too. Now I'm about to say, without further delay, when you're next to me, that's where I wanna be. Now we're near the end, but we're among good friends. So that after this, I'll do it one more time. Preposition, it's your ambition to tell me exactly my position. Preposition, your ambition to tell me exactly my position.
Okay, so that was just a fun little video about what a preposition is, and to remind you, oh, there's cute Barrett. Let me see if I can find my slideshow. Okay, so today for your practice, and you can just do this on your notebook paper or whatever. It says, in your writer's notebook, write each sentence and add a prepositional phrase to the end. Circle your preposition and noun in the phrase. The Pokemon will eat lunch when? After he goes to class. So I want you to use one of these and finish practicing using prepositions in these 3 sentences. And it does have a little video there for you to watch if you choose.